Gabby left me for the weekend, and I'm gonna try to surprise her by getting as much done in this bathroom as possible.
I was able to already install the drywall and cement board for the shower walls, then I mudded and taped the drywall and primed the walls and waterproofed the shower, and the next item on this list for this bathroom renovation is to add some window trim, but first I need to make sure the drywall is cut back far enough so everything I'm about to install is level and plumb. I'm in a rush because the sun is setting and I need to pick up my wife from the airport here in a couple of hours, so we'll see if I can get this window trim done before she gets in.
Now that it's all cleaned up, we can start attaching pieces in here.
And another inconvenient part of all of this is setting up my temporary shop every day to work on something because we don't have any interior space available for a garage or shop, so I have to make do with what I have. I really like how the window trim turned out in the guest bedroom, so I'm trying to make the window trim to match here in this bathroom. To make all the connections as strong and durable as possible, I'm going to use a combination of liquid nails and my nail gun to attach everything.
Okay, we need to run to the store now to get some wood.
Hi, Princess. You want to go for a car ride? Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Good girl. Oh, good girl. Come on, go. Good girl. Oh, good baby. Good dog.
You happy girl? You happy girl? Yes, you're happy girl.
Oh, you're such a good dog. Kennedy has a lot of separation anxiety, so we always try to bring her with us whenever we can, and that backpack is how we do it many times.
Yes, good girl.
We're back from the store, and it's time to put this together in a hurry. So one of the first pieces I'm working on is called the stool, and I want to wrap it around the drywall, so I need to notch out little corners so they can fit right on the sill of the window. And I did a similar thing for the head jamb on the top side as well. Once those are on, the side casing goes on pretty easily along with the apron, which is below the stool, and the head casing on top. Then after it was too late, I realized I made the head casing and the other windows out of a 1x4.
I forgot I used a 1x4 up here. So let's fix that.
In this window, I only made it with a 1x3, so I need to somehow make this piece an inch taller on the top, but that's okay because I'm attaching some crown molding that's just barely going to cover it. Now with all the pieces attached, I'm not done yet because I need to fill all the nail holes, and while that's drying, I need to clean up my mess, which is my least favorite part of any project. And you can see it's getting pretty dark outside, so I'm running out of time before Gabby's airplane lands. So I'm going to caulk all the seams because that's what makes the paint job much better. Then after everything dried, I'm going to prime over all the nail holes and caulk seams and any bare wood that's left over. And I'm really happy with the progress I made on the bathroom this weekend, but I'm excited to see Gabby's reaction to it all.
Okay, finished just in time, and now it's time to go pick her up from the airport. You want to go see Mama? You want to go for a car ride? Yeah? You want to go see Mama? Let's go see Mama. Oh my gosh.
Yes, we're waiting for Mama. We made it back safely from the airport, and mother and daughter are reunited.
Good. So I cut all the tiles already.
Wow. Like that.
I know.
Oh my god.
You can flip the left one.
Oh my gosh, it looks like a real oh!
Just
Oh my
laying there.
gosh, they look so good.
You love it?
Yeah. Oh my god, this looks like a real room.
Right?
I love it. Oh wow, this window's big.
It does look big,
Wait,
right?
why does it look so big?